Hi, good morning. I wanted to make a video quickly to show all my friends. I've been doing these videos in Spanish, how to apply your makeup in under 5 minutes. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and start with, I use this brand called Pharmacy, and I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and I'm putting, I know I need to sharpen this, putting some of the eyeliner. It's called Express. It's the number 02 on Pharmacy. I'll put the link on the description. I know. All right. And I'm going somewhere with my family, and they're all in the car with me. And I told them to be quiet, so hopefully we'll get no fighting in the back seat. But yeah. So many times we don't apply makeup because we say we don't have time, but maybe the system that you're using might be complicated, and nothing is impossible when you have God on your side. That's what I believe. So we're almost to the place where we need to be. And what do you think? Does that look good? I think this is a much easier way of applying your eyebrows. If you're one of the persons that applies their eyebrows, I have, like I said, the brand Pharmacy. I have this eyeshadow right here. I have a set of brushes. I'll put the description, and all I do is I just go like that. See that? All right. And let's see. We apply this here, back and forth. Okay, and apply it on this side, back and forth, and that's it. Can you tell? Maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. All right, and I have this palette. It's called Peach Bite, something like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna grab this color. I know you can't tell the colors or the difference. Or all right, I'm gonna grab this color right here. I'm gonna go 1, 2. And apply it right here, like that. Do you see that? All right, gonna go again. You see that? Can you tell? I like this brand because you don't need to apply a lot of it. And we're gonna go ahead and use this color right here. I'm gonna apply it down here. All right. And the brown, you see the brown? I'm gonna use this. I use that side, but okay. This right here, down here on the bottom, where we need to be. All right, so now I take my blending brush, which is this one. It has a dark side right here on this side, So that side, I'm gonna use it on the bottom like this, over here like that. Okay, that is done. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the mascara. And everybody's gonna get out of the car and leave me here for a second while I finish this video, because I know them. They have no patience for me, and that's all right. Sometimes we don't have any time to get out of the car, right? To get into the car with our makeup on, and that's okay. You see, too much light right there. Okay, now I see something that needs to be corrected. So let's just take all the, you see all the excess flying out? That's when I'd never go like this to a brush and take all the excess off. But I do. I take the excess off when I need to use it. Here. Okay. I felt something. Oh, okay. Never mind. I see it. All right. And this is almost done. One more thing I need to do. I need to get this, and I need to get my blush. I bought this blush. Oh, wrong brush. This blush. I'll put the description of the video, but it's really easy. And that's how you get your makeup done. Nowadays we have to wear masks, so I don't have to put anything in my lips because nobody will see it, right? So just the mask. So here's my mask. And we're done. And another thing I have to do. My hair. So makeup is done, as you can see. It was short, and was it under 5 minutes? I don't know. I don't have my glasses to find out. But I know my hair is done. I put gel before I put the rollers in, and now I'm done. And we're off to church. Thanks for watching.